Hey guys, welcome back. Thanks for coming back. Today we're trying the Ortho Weed and Clear. I have some dandelions and clover. Stick around and I'll show you how I do it. I'm back. Alright, so we'll assemble that. I put some water and I'll adjust my nozzle before I'll do anything else. Fill it up halfway. You want a nice mist over the weeds. Guys with me? All right. See that mist? Still think it's too much. A little more. Nice and misty. Yep. Good. Awesome. Right there. Right. The pressure out of it per gallon, 2.5 ounces per gallon. And I use a little bit of surfactant, better or stick to the weeds. It's 2.5 ounces. You got lines inside the cup. Gotta pay attention there. 2.5. That already filled this up halfway because we're testing the nozzle. And your gallon mark is, where's that? It's over here. Not all the way to the top. Get the stuff at Tractor Supply. Got about 2 full caps. The dog gets more vacation than I do. We're gonna wait for the wind to stop. It should stop in a few hours according to the weather, and we'll be back. We'll see you then. Lightly shake it. See, the wind is coming in and going out. Pre-adjust that nozzle, so we should be good. All right, see it? Can you see it? So the wind stopped right now. Use polarized glasses. You can see the wet. Kind of holding everything a little lower to the ground. Full of it. Jeez. What an ugly lawn. here. There. More here. Dog poop. Yep, dog poop, dog poop. My neighbors think I'm crazy talking to myself right now. Oh, keep going. I know I got a lot of POA here and tall fascio. And the nozzle is dripping for some reason, which is not very good. Brand new. Yep. Her little ball. Get it out of the way. Yeah, I think that was it back here. There's some sort of ivy. Dandelion here, more ivy there, more here. So that was all tenacity. Can you see it there? Just don't want the stuff to spray over the plants, you know? So yeah, like more stuff you put it down, the more clover you have. Look, the bunnies. They never bother the lilies. This year they're hungry. Crazy. Alright, this is the huge patch right here. Tenacity. Didn't do squad. Crazy. See it? Oh, trying to give whatever grass is in here
a chance to grow.
More. Holy moly. This edge. It's always junk on the edges. Look at that, man. It's crazy. Gee, man. Great. Yeah, I've never seen so many weeds in my life. Wow. Holy moly. And I spray all this with tenacity. So I know it's not a pre-emergent, but I believe this stuff was already up. Cause see, you hit it there. This didn't do much. Let's try the Ortho. Some weird stuff here. So the other morning, see something dug in here. That's awesome. Great. This area is all new grass. We had grubs from there. Can you see it? All the way around here, the front. So tenacity kind of just not really. This stuff here didn't touch it. It's crazy. Some more dandelions here. Overall, it doesn't look too bad. See, tenacity. Oh, more there. Didn't touch it. And I know for a fact I sprayed this area. All right, guys, that was it for today. If you're still here, thank you. Look at that sun, beautiful. If you're still here, thanks for watching. And if you like the video, hit the like button, subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Bye. Use that just for the ortho. Why would you put a zip tie in there? So we're done, I think. Oh, there's some more here, just some more crap here. Gee, man. Holy moly. I guess we're not done. Just kidding. JK.